So what do you think really happened dun sa leadership change?
Magaling ang ginawa nila. It defined the Senate and the impeachment court. Having said that, there were already attempts to remove Senate President Soto. Again, ang hindi napapag-usapan, and I'd like to appeal to the better senses of these legislators, they were not happy with Soto. I mean, they should tell the public why. Because tayo, nagse-second guess lang tayo eh. Ano ba talaga nangyari? And then, we know for a fact that Legarda and Cayetano, they were the two options. Legarda was tried. Kaso, natunugan. At nung natunugan, ang excuse na lang, hindi, towards the end, bibigyan ka namin ng chance maging Senate President dahil ikaw ang unang babae. Insulto naman yun sa kababaihan na parang
Correct.
pagpalapit na sa end, bibigyan ka namin, no? And then, maingay yun eh, kasi maraming may nakaalam. Ang hindi alam ng public, there was the other option, which is Cayetano. And Cayetano was quiet throughout all. Noong nag-decide sila, sa tingin ko ang shocking doon, hindi nila alam na si Bato will be there.